Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about Nomad Ridge at the Wilds. We're going glamping, baby, not camping. Let's get into it. The Wilds is in Cumberland, Ohio, and is built on 10,000 acres of reclaimed mine land donated by AEP in 1992. Then in a joint public-private venture and in affiliation with the Columbus Zoo, the first animals started arriving, and the first animal was the Przewalski's wild horses. And then the greater one-horn rhinos and the southern white rhinos move in, and now the list of endangered species that resides at the Wilds is up to 24. In 1994, the park opened to the public. With advanced conservation and education at its core, the Wilds had grown into its rolling hills with wild animals roaming freely. Jack Hanna was a big part of bringing the Wilds to us, and we are thankful for him for being our conservation warrior for Ohio and for the world. There is an open air safari tour every day, and you can see some of my favorites like the giraffe and the takin. I love the takin. Today we're going to talk about Nomad Ridge, where glamping is the way to go. With private yurts, this exclusive getaway is for 21 and over only. I had a chance to stay in the Grand Yurt. It is deluxe glamping with a king-size bed and a private bath with a 2-person shower, a lounge area, a mini fridge, coffee maker, and selection of complimentary coffees, toiletries. The yurt is climate controlled also, so it can be heated or cooled. And there is brand new Wi-Fi set up in the yurts, so that's new this year. You have unobstructed views of the pastures, the animal pastures down below. You have a big deck on the front that's completely private where you can sit in the morning with your coffee and watch the animals in the pastures, watch the sunrise. Be sure to bring your own binoculars because you will want to use those. And it's just beautiful. You will also hear the animals at night, just to remind you that you are actually glamping. So be sure to come and dress comfortable. I'd like to take a moment and ask you to hit that subscribe button. As a new content creator, it really helps my channel grow. Included with your stay is dinner and breakfast, and that is in the Overlook Cafe, just a short walk up the path. The dinner is very nice. It's yummy. We had steak and fish and cheesecake, but here's a sample menu for you. Here's a view of the Grand Yurt from the Wildside Tour truck. You also have a view of the shared deck that you have access to at night to relax, drink some wine, meet some friends if you like, or you can use your own private deck on the Grand Yurt. And here is the view of the rest of Nomad Ridge. The availability on these is much better than the Grand Yurt itself. Your stay includes an open-air safari for 2, and you will get discounts on other tours that are available there at the Wilds. I highly recommend the Wildside Tour. With the popularity of the Nat Geo TV series Secrets of the Zoo, this Wildside Tour now has your animal management team members take you out in a pickup truck. So it's like a management truck, and you will go out with the team members like you are a team member making the rounds. So it is completely fun. You go to the animal barns. You could be out there counting the Przewalski horses. You could be out there checking on the giraffes, checking on the takin, which are amazing. I love the takin. The tour is also available for families throughout the year. You just make your reservations online. I will leave the link in the description. But to stay at the yurts, all the tours are private, so they are all adults. And this was just amazing for me. We went into the barns because we were there in the fall. We got to see the giraffes. We got to hand feed the giraffes, and it was just so much fun. I could not stop smiling. My face hurt. It was one of those things where you just had so much fun that you just couldn't stop smiling. If you choose to book another tour, you'll still have your open air safari tour that you can do the day of arrival, and then you can do your chosen tour the next day. So you can do both tours on your overnight stay. Because Nomad Ridge is so much fun, reservations for this glamping experience is 1 year in advance. So if you'd like to stay at the Wilds, make sure you make your reservations, pre-plan your book stay, check out the website. If there's an open date, be sure to grab it. Make sure you want it because deposits are not refundable, and book that wild side tour while you have the chance. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.